Hi guys, welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is all about harvest and we're going to complete a front porch makeover. I'm excited. I can't wait to get started. Let's go. I just love walking in the store and seeing all the wonderful items that they had just for display for harvest. And I love the fact that when you first walked in the store, you didn't see a bunch of orange, pumpkin, traditional harvest colors. It was wonderful. So then I'm walking down with the floral department and I'm seeing all of these wonderful colors. The vine wreaths are just amazing. They have so many different sizes this year. The smaller ones, the large ones. I did a video how I made the outdoor wreaths showing this particular vine wreath, and this is the size of it here, guys. Absolutely love the selection of what it is that they had available this year. And then I stumbled upon these stems and the yellows and the field colors and the ivory. I use those a lot in the front porch and in the video for the family room harvest interior. You guys, when you get a chance, check out that video as well. So I'm just in heaven right now, having a great time. The cornucopia I picked up and purchased here, and I've already completed a video that shows you guys what I did in terms of the table decor for that. I began this project by emptying and going through, cleaning up the front porch a little bit. You guys see I've got a little helper today, and he's excited about being outside with me. And yeah, he wants to help clean up, but he's sort of like getting into the way a little bit. I love using the handy dandy blower, and it just makes things a little bit faster when I am cleaning up. And at first thought I was going to keep the rug, but decided to switch out the black and white rug. I've had it for about maybe 4 or 5 years. And so I'm going to switch it out with something and replace it with a little bit something lighter, completely lighter in terms of color. My blower died, as you can see, so I went and got the handy dandy broom that Sir Gucci here is trying to take a bite of. But at any rate, we're going to, purge on and go ahead and get the front porch swept. I purchased this rug from Kirkland's, and to me it's two-sided. That's going to be perspective, but one side is blue, and then the back side of that, to my surprise, was the light color that I absolutely loved. It was cream and it had some tans in there. It would have been perfect for harvest. So I did decide to use the light color, and I'm going to put the light color down in front. I do love a good rug, and I use indoor-outdoor rugs for my front porch area, and I love something that's oversized, and then I will normally add a second rug on top. Here's a tip, guys, to maintain your rug so it doesn't slip all over the area that it's been placed. I use Velcro, large, supersized commercial Velcro on the bottom side of the rug so that it doesn't slip. You know, I just don't have time to go out and straighten it every day, and it just keeps the rug in place. I absolutely love doing this, and it works wonderfully. I will place a 2 to 3 inch strip of Velcro on the corner of each end of the rug, and it just stays in place. Even if it rains and it gets wet, it's super duper heavy Velcro, and I'll leave it in the description box so that you guys can pick up some as well. These gorgeous new pots were purchased at Lowe's, guys. They were $10 individually, and you've seen me put pots together and make a larger pot. So they're smaller pots, $10 a piece. And right now I'm filling them up with sand so that I can get some type of base and hold it, and it wouldn't blow away when the weather changes. I'll insert a picture for what the pot looked like before. And then I just put the two pots together and you can use either glue or you can use Velcro to make sure that they're pretty stable. Just adding some individual branch sticks just to give it a bit of texture and kind of stage what exactly I'm looking for. In this clip, you guys, you see that I got a little bit ahead of myself and I staged the branches without placing this wreath at the bottom of the base. So I had to actually insert it over the top of the branches and be very careful not to break the ends. But I want to place this wreath at the bottom of the branches but the top of the vase, and it's going to hide pretty much if I want to insert any type of floral or anything that I'm going to insert later on. It's going to make it much more easier. Now this green garland I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to sit it in the bottom of the vase here, just inside of the sand, some greenery to hang through, and it looks really natural just a little bit. As I add more floral, more sand will need to be added while you are putting the arrangement together, just to keep the balance of the pot accurate and so that it's evenly distributed throughout. Adding the white floral stem, it just adds so much life and contrast to this arrangement. At first it was just all brown, and it did have some earthy all natural themes, but just the pop of the color, the white. And I only used 3 of these, so you don't have to use that much. They were $9 or $7, $7.99, and then you got 40% off of that as well. So things are looking pretty good at this point. I'm liking what I see. I don't need to add much more to it, and it's just really coming together. This bench cushion I've had for some time, and I just keep getting it reupholstered. But for harvest this year, I didn't have time to get it reupholstered, so I am actually using indoor pillowcases, guys. This is a super tip because I wanted to use the color white, but you can use whatever color you want that works with your decor style. But right now I'm struggling getting it on because they're just basic sizes. But if you do decide to get one, I would actually say use an extra large king size pillowcase, but it's going to work out for my decor this year. I was really pleased with how everything turned out. It was super easy, fast to do. I worked with what I had and only added a minimum of new things. Hobby Lobby was super great with their selection. You can go and choose an array of things for a minimum of cost, especially if you catch their 40 to 50% off sales that are available. Leave a comment in the comment section, guys. Let me know your thoughts. I really do appreciate it. Make every day a great day. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.